Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Rosopl functional dentures, which claim to use a pressure-responsive gel layer that molds perfectly to your gums, supposedly making messy adhesives a thing of the past. It sounds like a dream for anyone tired of their teeth sliding around during dinner, but the real question is whether this product is actually legit or just a well-packaged fantasy. Stay with us until the end, because we've uncovered some details that suggest these dentures might be more fiction than function. The first red flag popped up the moment we looked at the product images. Upon closer inspection, it's clear these aren't real photos at all, but AI-generated renders. Apparently, taking a photo of an actual physical product was just too much work for their marketing team. This is a massive warning sign, as genuine companies usually prefer showing you what you're actually buying rather than a computer's hallucination of it. To make matters worse, the before and after pictures they used to prove results were actually stolen directly from other sites on the internet. It seems their only real talent is using copy and paste. The deception continues with their claims of being designed by dental experts. They even provide names and photos of doctors to build trust. But surprise, those images were also lifted from random corners of the web. These so-called experts are about as real as a $3 bill. They even go as far as displaying an FDA registration number to look official. However, when we verified that number on the actual FDA website, there was absolutely no record of it. It turns out FDA registered is just another phrase they decided to borrow without permission. Finally, we went searching for any sign of life from actual customers on Trustpilot, but we came up completely empty-handed. There isn't a single honest review from a real buyer to be found anywhere. When you combine the AI images, the stolen transformations, the fake doctors, and the imaginary FDA status, it becomes pretty clear that Rosopl is a total scam. The risks here definitely outweigh the promises, and putting these in your mouth sounds about as safe as a gas station sushi buffet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay one step ahead of these online traps.